Hello everybody, my name is Miss Erin and I am a Kid Smart teaching artist and I work in the visual arts art form. Today we're going to make a funky sculpture using only cardboard, and if you have any markers you can color in the cardboard, but it's not necessary. Miss Erin doesn't even have enough markers to color in all of hers. But what you will need is just the cardboard and some scissors. Now, when you're using scissors at home, make sure that you have an adult nearby and you let them know that you're using something sharp, okay? With your cardboard, you're going to cut your cardboard and you're going to make a bunch of different shapes. So you can make rectangles, you can make circles, you can make ovals, squares, triangles, okay? So like a rectangle like this, you can make a square. I have some already cut out, okay, over here. And once you have a few shapes cut out, you can start to assemble your sculpture. So a sculpture is a piece of artwork that you can look at from all the way around, right? We can look at something all the way around. It's not like a painting that lays flat on the wall and you can only see it from the front. A sculpture, you can walk all the way around and see it from different points of view. So when we're building this sculpture, you want to think about it all the way around. I'm going to show you how to attach two pieces together. You're going to take your piece and you're going to cut a little slit in the side. You see how this little slit is right there? Okay. And you're going to make a couple of those on a couple of your pieces. Once you have two pieces that have little slits in them, you can put those slits together to attach your cardboard pieces. Okay, so I'm going to put slits in all of these and start to build a sculpture. When you're building your sculpture, you have to think about how to make sure it doesn't fall over. When you're putting these together, think about ways to make your sculpture stand up. See, it would not stand up if I only had my triangle piece, but I added another piece, the circular piece here, to help it stand up, okay? And I'm going to add a couple more fun shapes. Okay, let's see, I might add a square over here. I colored one of my circles with a red marker. And I might stick that red circle up here on this other circle. But when you're doing yours, you can make it look however you like. So if you like mostly triangles, it can be all triangles. I like a bit of a variety. So you can see that I've started to make a cardboard sculpture using only shapes. I hope you had fun making a sculpture with me today. Have a good day, y'all. Bye.